Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Christopher Morris, and today marks the one-year anniversary of the 2013 Panhandles Blizzard. Here's a look of what it was like out our front door this morning. It was starting out in the mid-20s with overcast skies. But let's take a look at what it was like 1 year ago today. Over the course of 24 hours, a swath of 10 to 16 inches of snow occurred across the Panhandles. The highest snow total was measured in Amarillo at 19.0 inches. This is the second highest calendar day snow total on record, stopping just short of the highest calendar day total of 19.3 inches set on March 25th, 1934. It wouldn't be a blizzard without the wind. 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts caused whiteout conditions even in locations that received lower accumulations. The highest gust for the event was a 77 mile per hour gust at Pantex. Here in Amarillo, we got a 75 mile per hour wind gust. Strong winds and heavy snow led to localized snow drifts of several feet. These drifts were tall enough to dwarf fences and allowed livestock to escape enclosures. It also cut them off from food sources. Some drifts were tall enough to nearly cover road signs and bury neighborhoods and roadways. The amount of snow and near zero visibilities caused a closure of all roads across the Panhandles. Unfortunately, there were numerous stranded motorists, and the National Guard was deployed to assist in rescue operations of these motorists after the storm. The Texas Department of Transportation enlisted crews from as far away as El Paso and Dallas to help clear roadways. Specifically here in Amarillo, the local utilities and parks departments were retasked to assist TxDOT in their road clearing operations. The final cleanup costs for the Texas Panhandle has been estimated in the millions of dollars. However, the greatest stat for the blizzard is the number of weather-related fatalities, and we are proud to say that's zero. The 2013 blizzard is certainly one for the Panhandle history books.